everyone. Welcome to Madhi English School. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is the class of Standard 1. Right now, we are going to learn chapter number 2 of Maths. What we are going to learn today? Today we are going to make revision of chapter number 2. Let's begin the class. So, we will start our class with a very good thought. Thought for the day is, change the world by being yourself. This is the most important lesson for the life. Change the world by being yourself. Means if you want to see the change in the world, first of all make that change in your life. So, as I told you that today we are going to make revision of chapter number 2. So what we are going to learn in this chapter? Learning objectives for today is a revision of chapter number 2. In revision, we will learn simple addition, double digit addition, add using number strip, and word problem or story sums. First of all, what is an addition? What do you know about the addition? Addition is taking two or more numbers and adding them together. That is, it is the total sum of two or more numbers. The addition is taking two or more numbers and adding them together. That is, it is the total sum of two or more numbers. Let's see how it happens. How can we make addition? Look at the picture. These are the 3 pencils. These are 2. Count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the way we make an addition. We have to count given groups together and make a total sum. Okay. So 3 plus 2 we get 5. Okay. Now adding 2 plus 1. Look, these are 2 sharpeners, 1 and 2. We are going to add one more, and at the end how many sharpeners will together there? There are 3 sharpeners together. 2 plus 1 we get 3. Okay. 2 plus 2. Count all the objects together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 4. Okay. Next is 1 plus 3. So what should we do? We should count all these objects together. Then we will get the sum. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get number 4. 1 plus 2. So what should we do? We should count all these given objects together. First of all, 1, 2 and 3. Here we are going to write the answer. 1 plus 2 we get number 3. Here we have the sum 4 plus 1. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to count all these given objects together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next is 5 plus 0. Here we have number of 5 ice cream cones and this place is empty. By adding 0 to any of the number, we get the answer as a given number same. So our answer is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1 plus 1, what will we get? 1 and 1. Very easy. It's 2. 0 plus 4. As I told you before that we are going to add 0 to any of the number. At the end we get the same number as a result. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Write down it here. Now we have the sum 2 plus 3. Okay, what will happen if we add 3 to number 2? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Done? This is the way how we can make addition. Hope concepts become clear to you. Now look at this. We have to add 1 to 7. Look, this is the given figure 1. And we have to add this 7 more to it. Then what will happen? We have to count all these objects together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By adding number 7 to 1, we get number 8. Isn't it interesting? Wants to see more? Look, this is our sum 2 plus 6. These are the given numbers 2. We have to add this 6 more to it. Okay, now what we have to do? Keep these 2 aside in your mind that we have 2 objects. We are going to add 6 more to it. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What will come? 8. Okay? Now 3 plus 5 means we have 3 objects. We have to add 5 more to it. So first of all keep in your mind this 3. Okay? And start counting after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Write down it in given box. Look, what is this? Here we have the objects as well as sum also. So we have to add 2 plus 2. As first we have 2 objects and we are going to add 2 more to it. So after 2, 3 and 4. What should we write here? Number 4. Now here we have the sum 3 plus 2. Look, these are 3 objects. 1, 2 and 3. And now what we have to do? We have to add 2 more to it. After 3, there comes 4 and 5. What should we write here? 5. Okay? Now this is the sum 2 plus 1. What should we do now? These are 2. 1 and 2. We are going to add 1 more to it. 1, 2 and 3. What should we write? Number 3. Next sum is 4 plus 1. Look. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? We are going to add 1 more. 4 and 5. Look at that. We have a sum with the objects. Okay? Solve these given problems. 1 plus 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. By adding 3 to 1, we get number 4. Okay? 5 plus 1. What will happen if we add 1 to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total of 5 plus 1 is 6. Make practice regarding this at your home. It will be helpful to you to understand addition more. 2 plus 3. So first of all count these 2 objects, 1 and 2. We are going to add 3 more to it. 3, 4 and 5. So 2 plus 3 we get 5. Okay? Next is 6 plus 2. So what should we do? As this is 6 plus 2 and these objects are, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay? So keep in your mind 6. and start counting after 6, 7 and 8. So by adding 2 to number 6, we get number 8. Okay. Next is 5 plus 5. Look, these are 5 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. 5 plus 5. What will happen if we add 5 to number 5? 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. By adding 5 to number 5, we get number 10. Okay. 3 plus 3. That means we are having already 3 objects and we have to add 3 more to it. So 3, 4, 5 and 6. By adding 3 to number 3, we get number 6. 9 plus 1 means we already have 9 objects. We have to add 1 more to it. 9 and 10. Our sum is 10. 4 plus 2. Look, my dear students, whenever you are going to start addition, you have to keep the first number in your mind, that you are having 4. Number 4 or object 4. And you have to add the given numbers only. So, you have to start counting after given number. It will be helpful to you and it will make easier your lesson. Okay, 4 after 5 and 6. Okay. Let's see. Now we have the sums without any figures. As I told you just before, that what you have to do, you have to keep in your mind the first number, that you have 5. Okay, and you have to add 3 more to it. So from where we have to start our counting? We have to start our counting after number 5. 5 after 6, 7 and 8. We have to keep the first number in our mind and start counting just after that number. Okay, so we get number 8. 4 plus 4. That means we have 4 already and we have to add 4 more to it. So after 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, we get number 8. 1 plus 7. We already have 1 with us. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. My dear students, this will be helpful to you while you make oral counting. Okay. 8 plus 6. That means we already have 8 with us and we have to add 6 more to it. 8 plus 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 plus 6, we get number 14. 6 plus 3, that means we already have number 6 with us. And what you have to do? We have to add 3 more to it. So we have to start counting after number 6. 6 after 7, 8 and 9. Okay, by adding 3 to number 6, we get number 9. 4 plus 9. That means we already have 4 with us and we have to add 9 more to it. So first of all, keep number 4 with you. Okay, and start counting after number 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, we get number 13. Understand? This trick will help you to make oral counting. Add the following. We have to add this sum. Look, here we have the figures also. 2 plus 7. We have 2 objects already. By adding 7 more to it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We get number 9. 4 plus 3. That means we already have 4 objects. We are going to add 3 more to it. 4 after 5, 6 and 7. So our answer is 7. 5 plus 0. That means we have 5 objects and we don't have any more objects to add to it. So our answer will be the number itself, which is 5. 3 plus 5, that means we have 3 objects already and we have to add 5 more to it. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5, we get number 8. 2 plus 4, that means we already have 2 objects or 2 numbers. So we have to start counting after 2. 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1 plus 2. 1 after 2 and 3. By adding 2 to number 1, we get number 3. 1 plus 3. That means we already have one object or one number with us. Now what we have to do? We have to add 3 more to it. So what we have to do now? We have to start counting after 1. 1 after 2, 3 and 4. Hope you all understand this well. Okay, what you have to do, my dear students? Now you have to make practice about this. This is 2 plus 2. That means we already have 2 objects and now we have to add 2 more to it. Okay, so we have to start counting after number 2. 2 after 3 and 4. So our sum is 4. Look, what do I say? I said our sum is. So whenever we start counting addition and finish it, at the end we get the product, which is called sum. Now look, what is this? Match the addition. This is the new thing for you. First of all, we have to count the total figures, then match it with the answer. Look, first one is done for us, that this is 1, 2 and 3. We are going to add 2 more to it, 4 and 5. Match it with number 5. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4 butterflies are there and we have to add 2 more to it. 4 after 5 and 6. We get 6 butterflies. Where is 6? In this column, here it is. So we have to match it with number 6. Next is, there are 3 flowers in first column. Look, 1, 2 and 3. We have to add 4 more to it. After 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Where is 7? Here it is. What we have to do? We have to match this with number 7. These are the 3 frogs. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. And we have to add 1 more to it. 3 and 4. Find out number 4 in this column. Where it is? Look, here it is. Match it. Okay. Next is, there is 4 ladybug. Look, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to add 4 more to it. After 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here total 8 ladybugs are. So what we have to do? We have to match this with number 8. Okay? Very good. Have you enjoyed this exercise? I know you all like this type of exercise very much. So what you have to do, my dear students? You have to make practice regarding this at your home with the help of your parents. Okay? Now, what is number line? In math, a number line can be defined as a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals or segments along its length. A number line can be extended infinitely in any direction and is usually represented horizontally. Look, this horizontally. How a number line is horizontal? Means, let me explain. Look, this is number line. They're placed on numbers on a particular interval. Okay? Now, what we have to do? Add using number strip. So, how can we add the numbers with the help of this number strip? Have you remembered? As this is the revision, my dear students? Have you remembered what we have to do? Look, our sum is 4 plus 2. So what should we do first? First of all, we should find number 4 on a number strip or number line. Here it is. So make a circle around it. Now 4 plus 2. We have to add 2 to this number 4 with the help of this number strip. So what should we do? We should move 2 steps forward. We should move 2 steps forward on the right side of the given number. 1, 2. Where do we reach? We reach at number 6. So what should we do now? Yes, we should write the answer in the given blank. Okay? Now our sum is 5 plus 2. What should we do now? I am giving you 1 minute to think. What we have to do? Where is number 5 on this number strip? Where it is? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. So make a circle on number 5. And what should we do? We should start counting from number 5 and move 5 plus 2. So 2 steps forward. On which side? On the right side. 5 after 6 and 7. Where do we reach? We reach at number 7. So what should we write? We should write 7 in the given box. This is the way we make add using number strip. Okay? Now 5 plus 4. That means we have to find out number 5 first on the number strip. Where it is? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I reach at the same destination? Where should our train stops? Our train should stops at number 5. Here it is. Make a circle around it. Now what should we do? We should move 4 steps forward. Means we have to move 4 steps on the right side. Look, this is the right side. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Should I stop? No. 4. Yes, we reach at our destination, which is number 9. So what should I do now? I should write number 9 in given box. Okay? Understand? Do you remember this? I hope you all understand. Now take a quick recap what we have learned today. We have learned what is addition. I would like to repeat this. The addition is taking 2 or more numbers and adding them together. That is, it is the total sum of 2 or more numbers. We also learn the sum of addition with different pictures. Look, we learn with the different objects how to make addition. Okay? Look, these are the pictures and these are the addition sum. We learn to make oral sums. Okay? How to make oral calculation with the help of given numbers. We know how to add the single digit numbers. Means we have done single digit addition. We also learn match the addition. We also learn what is a number line or number strip. A number line can be defined as a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals or segments along its length. A number line can be extended infinitely in any direction and is usually represented horizontally. Okay? Then we have make practice about add using number strip. So this was the summary for today's lecture, revision of chapter 2 in which we have done add the following and simple addition. Also learn add using number strip. My dear students, you have to make practice regarding this by given work at your home. After finishing this, I have a small presentation for you. You have to watch it carefully and keep one thing in your mind. Definitely you have to make practice of tables at your home each and every day. Okay? Stay happy, stay safe, take care of yourself, my dear students. One more thing, don't trouble your mother, my dear. Bye bye everyone.
2 3s are 6. 3 4s are, what will come? 3 4s are 12. Wow! What come next? 4 4s are, 4 4s are, what will come? 16. Yes. Next is 3 9s are. Oh, what will come 3 9s are? 3 9s are 27. Wow. What is next? Let's see. It's 2 8s are. Okay, 2 8s are. Yes. What do you say? Yes, 2 8s are 16. Very good. Next is 4 5s are. Oh, what will come 4 5s are? Yes, 4 5s are 20. Wow. What is next? Look, it is 5 2s are. 5 2s are, what will come? 5 2s are 10. Yes. Look, what come next? It is 2 7s are. What do you say? What will come 2 7s are? 2 7s are 14. Next is, it is 3 6 jar. Wow. Who knows what comes 3 6 jar? 3 6 jar 18. Wow. Very good. Look what is next. It is 5 7s are. Who will say what comes 5 7s are? 5 7s are 35. Very good. Next is